In this video, we're going to be multiplying algebraic fractions. So if we look at this first example, we've got 4a squared over 3b multiplied by 5b cubed over 2a to the 5. Now, these work in a very similar way to normal fractions that we're multiplying. So we're going to be multiplying the tops and multiplying the bottoms. So here we'll end up with 20a squared b to the 3, and on the bottom we'll end up with 6a to the 5 and b. What makes them different with these is when we need to simplify. So we'll simplify the numbers. So we've got 10 over 3. But here, this is where we're going to have to look at powers. So we've got a squared on the top and a to the 5 on the bottom. So we can cancel 2 of those to drop that down to power 3. And here we can cancel that b to leave that with a power of 2. So on the numerator, we'll end up with just a b squared. And then the denominator will end up with an a cubed. We also might see examples like this. Now, if we were to just do top times top, bottom times bottom on this one, we'd end up with x's to the power of 3, and it would get very, very messy with expanding those sorts of questions, those sorts of brackets. So what I'm actually going to do with this one is I'm going to factorize the top and the bottom. So we're looking for a pair of numbers that multiplies together to give me 6, but adds together to give me 5. So that is going to be x plus 2 and x plus 3. And on the bottom, this one actually factorizes into a single bracket. We're going with x bracket x plus 1. Now, hopefully, you'll be able to see what's going to happen here. Still, leaving everything in brackets, I'm going to do top times top, bottom times bottom. So we're going to end up with x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 on the top. So we got x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 1 there and there. And on the bottom, we have x plus 1, and x plus 2. So here we can cancel some of these brackets out. So this one cancels with that one. This one cancels here. So our final result is going to be x plus 3 all over x. So when we have examples like this, where it would be incredibly messy to try and multiply top and top, bottom and bottom, the trick is to factorize these. Then we can multiply the tops and bottoms, and then they can hopefully cancel out to leave you with something more simple.